Well, first of all, this is a new format. Let me know in the comments ये format चलेगा कि नहीं आपको because I am a bit sick. I have sore throat, so that's one of the reasons I'm not turned on my camera and थोड़ा सा cold भी है, so I don't feel well. Well, anyways, let's check what's happening with the market. In this video, we'll talk about Solana, especially Solana कि Solana के साथ क्या हो रहा है and what am I planning to do with my Sol bag and where am I buying, where am I selling. Obviously, none of this is financial advice. This is just something that I am doing myself. Do not follow or copy me. Anyways, so first 1 week में अगर हम देखेंगे लास्ट 1 week पे everything is red apart from IP, that is Story Protocol, Pi, which is a scam, Bera Chain and Pulse. Let's check it in one day. लास्ट 1 day में काफी चीजें प्लस है, ये सारे चीजें ही मुझे पसंद नहीं है जो भी प्लस है अभी. Everything that is pumping right now is something that I don't like. But anyways, last 1 hour में check करते हैं. Last 1 hour में we see Aptos going a bit down. Pi Network, I am going to short this. Okay, this is one of the coins that I'm going to short as much as I can. But anyways, let's get started with today's video. What's happening with Solana? So यहाँ पे मैंने एक thread डाला है. This video is all about what's going to happen with Solana. So Solana के volumes are crashing, the price and everything is going down. Why? Because people are frustrated. People are frustrated with Pump.Fun. Pump.Fun ने बहुत सारे coins launch किए and बहुत सारे लोग rug pull हो गए, right? That's one of the reasons Solana is struggling. Solana's price is down to 138, 127 का low मार के आया है. This region, that is 126 से लेके 115, has been tested many times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 times ये level test हुआ. That is crazy. Basically, meme coins का collapse हो गया. Meme coins have wiped a lot of market share from Solana. People are frustrated. Libra के बाद you had previously you had Trump coin and Melonia coin and all of that. That's one of the reasons Solana के ऊपर negative impact हुआ है. The DEX volumes are going down. So DEX volumes are minus 83% since Jan 2025. Now at $69.9 billion, which is lowest in the last few months. Okay. So transaction fees कम होगी अगर transactions कम होंगे and then Solana का use भी कम होगा. What are bearish chart signals? So death cross बन रहा है. 50-day weekly moving average is crossing 200-day weekly moving average. That's one of the reasons you can see prices are going down. Again, this is a lagging indicator. This is not a leading indicator. So we need Solana to pump ASAP at 176. 176 से थोड़ा ऊपर जाके we can tap into the 200 region. But right now it's bearish. Why? Again, it's because of the meme coin bloodbath. Sol meme coins have gone down from $25 billion to $8.7 billion. So almost 4 गुना नीचे गिर चुका है. Dogwave hat, Trump, Peggy Penguins all going down. That's crazy, right? And if you talk about the active users are also going down क्योंकि अगर एक प्रोजेक्ट एक ब्लॉकचेन बार बार किसी को रग पुल कर रहा है, right? That's one of the reasons people will not like to use it. इसमें सोलाना की कोई गलती है? Probably नहीं, but Solana is like the meme coin casino for crypto, and that's one of the reasons we're seeing this movement. FTX dump. So FTX offloaded, locked Solana at $64, while right now the market price is around $138, right? So this is crazy. Buyers कौन है? Pantera, Galaxy Digital and Figure Markets. No instant dump, tokens are vesting over time. So if you look at this, Author is one of VCs who participated in this deal, participated in Sol OTC deal at $64, and he's saying कि वो बेच नहीं रहा है and he feels कि substantially ऊपर होगा अगले 3 महीनों में. So that's a good news कि at least dump तुरंत नहीं आएगा. Offload वो लोग कर सकते हैं, but क्या वो अभी offload कर रहे हैं? नहीं. Hacks and scams adding to the mess. Bybit hacker linked to Sol meme coin scams. Basically, Bybit के hackers ने Pump.Fun पे कुछ meme coins launch किए. That's also one of the reasons people do not want to trade meme coins anymore. And Libra coin के बारे में मैं already बता चुका हूँ. So now Sol ETF is coming, so that's a good sign. If Sol ETF comes in, then definitely थोड़ा बहुत buying pressure तो जरूर आएगा, but that is already priced in my opinion. Everything in the market is priced in. So this is one of the reasons we see कि the market has been a bit sluggish. Definitely ये थोड़ा सा pump आया था 122 से 140 तक गया था. That was because of the ETF news, but I don't think it should go to 200 immediately. Eventually it can, but right now I don't think so it will be going. Final verdict, Sol is under pressure, but it needs to regain trust, avoiding scam driven sell-offs, substantial real ecosystem growth. So apart from meme coins और बड़े बड़े चीजें सोलाना पे जैसी बिल्ड होंगी वैसी लोगों का भरोसा और आएगा. So now what's the plan? So 130 वाला रीजन अगर होल्ड करता है, it should not close below 135. 135 के नीचे ब्रेक नहीं करना चाहिए and it should take a breakout from here. This trend line is should take a breakout from here. That would be a good region. What is the worst case scenario? Worst case scenario, I will be DCing when it comes to this region, right? That is 127 से लेके 95. So अगर आप 100 region भी पकड़ सकते हो. So this is the region where I'll be buying my soul at. Exactly this region. Now I bought it here, I bought it here, I bought it here, but am I buying it here? No. I'll wait for this region. If this region breaks, then maybe $79. If this region breaks, तो maybe $47. Now you might say कि विवान भाई आप पागल हो, $47 सोलाना आ सकता है क्या? भाई कुछ भी हो सकता है, right? That is the nature of markets. You need to have a plan. You need to have a plan till where will you DCA. Now, what if it goes below $47? If it goes below $47, I'm not gonna do anything. I'm just gonna sit, relax. I'm not gonna add more. So ऐसे अगर आप सोचोगे जहाँ पे आप ब्रैकेट बना लोगे कि ओके 127 से लेके 47 के बीच में मैं डीसीए करूंगा, उसके नीचे उसके ऊपर मैं डीसीए नहीं करूंगा. इफ यू प्लान लाइक दिस यू वुड बी एट पीस. लेट्स लुक एट क्विकली एट बिटकॉइन. बिटकॉइन बहुत दिनों से हम ये चार्ट आपके साथ शेयर कर रहे थे जहाँ पे दिस वाज एसेंशियली अ रीजन जहाँ से बाउंस आना चाहिए था, बट अगर नहीं आता so we might go down, retest, and come down. So this is exactly what happened. Came down. Okay, let me just put this here. Came down, sort of retested, coming down. Now, is this a bearish chart? Yes, it's a bearish chart. Why is it a bearish chart? Because it looks like a bearish chart. Anyways, I'm kidding. So right now, what do I think is it should regain this level, that is 87,000 के ऊपर फटाफट अगर closing दे देता है, well and good. नहीं देता है, तो we might see it coming down to this level, that is $72,000 के level पे आ सकता है. That is टू बी एग्जैक्ट 73,700 से लेके 72,000 के लेवल पे आ सकता है. ये लेवल भी अगर होल्ड नहीं किया देन वी माइट सी इट कमिंग बैक टू द 54,000 लेवल. 54,000 लेवल इज स्कैरी. अभी वीकली चार्ट पे आ जाते हैं. ओके, एवरी टाइम यू स्कैर जस्ट कम ऑन द वीकली चार्ट. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि यहाँ पे डबल टॉप बनाया, नीचे आ गया, नेकलाइन ब्रेक किया, नीचे आ गया. राइट नाउ दिस इज अ मेजर सपोर्ट, दैट इज $71,000, $72,000 मान के चलो. इफ दिस ब्रेक्स डाउन, ये पूरा लेवल लिक्विडिटी ग्रैब करेगा 54,000 पे, दैट्स फॉर श्योर. बट अगर इसके नीचे चला गया देन द मार्केट इज न्यूक्ड. देन you can see कि we are in a bear market. So this is what is the plan that I have. Bitcoin में कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Wait for 87,000 के ऊपर क्लोजिंग का वेट करो, या तो 72,000 का वेट करो. These are the action points. बीच में चॉपी होगा, चॉपी में कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Now if you come on 1 hour time frame, you can definitely trade the inside candle. You can keep on trading the inside candles as much as you want, but long term trades अभी लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. Long term Bitcoin को भी बाय करने की बिल्कुल भी जरूरत नहीं है. Last but not the least, Wealthy Hippo Babies is one of the NFT projects that I talked about. 0.3 ETH, now it is 1.765 ETH. So all these alpha you'll get in my Telegram channel. Link is in the description. जाके join कर लो. Free of cost है. अल्फा ही अल्फा मिलेगा. एंड इसका ट्रेंड लाइन ब्रेक करने का वेट करते हैं. ट्रेंड लाइन अगर ब्रेक करता है तब हम लोग लॉन्ग पोजीशंस बना सकते हैं. बट राइट नाउ द प्लान इज सिंपल. 120, 100, 75, right? These are the levels for Solana. बाकी किसी कॉइन के बारे में एनालिसिस चाहिए तो मुझे कमेंट सेक्शंस पे बता दो. ऑल्सो लेट मी नो अगर ऐसे क्विक वीडियोस अगर आपको पसंद है तो आई कैन मेक देम ऑलमोस्ट डेली इफ यू वांट. चीयर्स, बाय बाय.